Welcome to your home sweet home. We are in Dunnellon, Florida, just off of Highway 200, but tucked back into this really nice community of acreage parcels. And this is a 2007 built manufactured home. You can see this is a very sizable manufactured home with some really nice custom features. So right now we're standing facing the kitchen. It's a large kitchen, plenty of space for multiple people to be working on dinner preparation. We've got a nice built-in china cabinet and prep area over here to my right. And this is the dining room area where you can put a nice table, and you have these beautiful, very solid, very sturdy sliding glass doors out to that screened porch. So check out this kitchen. It's the wood cabinets. It's lots of island space. It's bar seating here. We've got a nice pantry there. Very, very functional. You've got a true hood vent above the stove, dishwasher, fully equipped kitchen. So then to the right of the kitchen is the main bedroom suite. One of the things you'll notice is this house has very nice double pane windows with tilt functionality, so very easy to clean. Also, the flooring in the house is plush carpeting or this beautiful vinyl flooring throughout. This main bathroom has two separate sinks and two separate counters. So unlike often you have the design where you have the one countertop with two sinks in it, you have actually two separate vanities. The commode is tucked back behind this half wall here, so that's nice and private, and you've got a soaker tub in addition to the shower. So as we walk back out this way, we head to the other side of the house, and over here we have kind of a bonus area. This hallway is so expansive, and it has a built-in desk area here. So this makes for a nice bonus space in addition to the 4 bedrooms that come with this house. To my left is the first of the bedrooms, and there's great closet space. So that primary bedroom suite I didn't show you, but it did have a very nice walk-in closet. Other side of the hall here, we have 2 more bedrooms. I love how this one has the Tahiti bamboo wall and, really fun styling to it. Of course, that all can come down, so if that's not your style, you don't have to keep that, but it is a lot of fun. We've got on the left side the guest bathroom, and then over here is the third of the 4 bedrooms. Similar closets in each. And then the guest bathroom, this one has the tub shower combo. Now this bathroom also opens up to the laundry room. So you have a walk through here. If you're going back and forth from the outside or the laundry room, easy access to that bathroom. So what that means is you're coming in dirty, you don't have to walk through the main house on the carpeting to get into the bathroom. This is one of my favorite spaces besides the kitchen in this house. This is a great entertainment space. You have a bar area here that does have the wet bar sink, a nice little wine fridge or mini fridge as well, and lots of cabinets. So if you want to set up a space where you can have guests, and you could easily fit a pool table in here, you could have a dartboard, you could have any of the fun things that you enjoy having when you have guests, and this is ready to go for you. So some neat things like the arch doorway out here. It has all the doors are the 6-panel doors throughout. So very beautifully appointed home. Also, you'll notice that all of the steps are the concrete steps. So you're not having to deal with those wood steps that rot over time and end up being a safety hazard. This property is on 1.25 acres, and where you see the well house, that's where the actual well tank, it is on well and septic. So you can see there that's covered and protected, and you've got a 2-car carport so your cars can stay covered, and these 2 great sheds. So this one is a smaller shed that's called the she shed, and then you have the his shed, and they're both really great space to be able to store whatever you have that you need to store. Also a lovely lanai area. We'll go back over there. I'll show you how nice that is. And this property being right off of 200, it's a very easy access to get to either, if you want to go into Marion County, we're in Marion County right now, but if you want to go 200 towards Ocala, you can head to Ocala for a lot of dining and shopping options. The World Equestrian Center, there's a lot of neat attractions in Ocala. And then we are just outside of Citrus County, and Citrus County also has some really nice things, especially the water life in Citrus County. Citrus County is on the coast, so you can enjoy some water activities both directions, because if you go north, you're going to go to Rainbow Springs, Rainbow River, and you can enjoy that for fishing and kayaking and water relaxation. And then when you go into Citrus, there's the lakes, the Salapopka chain of lakes, as well as we're on the Gulf, so you have the Homosassa River and the Crystal River and Ozello, where you can get out on your boat and you can really enjoy all of the water life. It's scalloping season right now, so you could head out there and go scalloping. You've got plenty of room on this property. You keep your boat right on your own property. There are no deed restrictions here, so you can do what you like. If you want to set up your little chicken coop, you can have the chickens. You can kind of do your own little self-sustainable living, or just have your toys. And there's just so much to do here. So if this looks like something you would be interested in, if you're looking for this space both in the house and in the land, please give us a call. We'd love to show you this house in person. You can reach us at 352-794-1426. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment, because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Thank you.